Hello iPhone users. In today's video, we will demystify the mystery of uninstalling apps. Whether you're decluttering or freeing up space, let's get started. First, we will remove some apps from the home screen. On the home screen, touch and hold the app icon, tap Delete App, select Remove from home screen to keep the app in your app library, or tap Remove App to remove it completely. If you choose to delete from home screen, your app will be deleted from your home screen only. If you choose to delete completely, your application will be completely deleted from the main screen and data on your application. The second way is, delete from your app library. Step 1, launch settings on your iPhone. Step 2, scroll down and navigate to General Settings. Step 3, in iPhone Storage, tap the app you want to delete. You will choose to delete apps or offload apps if you still want to use that application but want to completely refresh it. After that, you just need to review the capacity of your iPhone device and check the application store again and delete necessary applications, which applications need to be deleted from the home screen. Try to organize and delete unnecessary applications so that your device is not under too much pressure. Thanks for watching and see you in the next great tips.